Hello guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to insert page number in Microsoft Word. First step is you open a document Word file with the content. For example this, you double click the top area of the Word. So there's a header and footer. Then go to insert. Then click the button page number. After that, you go to the format page number button. Then you can choose the number format. Click this drop down menu. You can choose anything you want from here. This is an example. So you can also format the page numbering. Let's start with 1. Click OK. Then click page number again. Now we chose the page number position. For this video, I will put it at the top of the page in the middle. Here, we already have inserted the page number. Let me preview guys. Here, we have already inserted the page number in each pages. 1, 2. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy and learn from this video. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.